Ni yangu kabisa.
Ladies and gentlemen, all from the States and coming up by the Kenya 15s International.
They've actually put a performance that the Simbas can be proud of and Kenyans can be proud of. So that is something I'm really pleased about. But one thing I must say is the crowd here, the hosting by Nakuru, and just people coming out to support this team. They were like the 17th player on the field. It didn't even matter if you got a yellow card, because these fans here is something really special.
So yeah, look, I mean, we came here wanting to win. We came here determined to win, and we met a Kenyan side that was determined to beat us and to show where they're coming from and what they're wanting to